While reviewing footage from a recent car crash, the driver was startled to find the faces in the video were of people long considered dead. The recording, which started as just another entry in a collection of car accident videos, some showing vehicles careening into obstacles, others depicting high-speed chases captured from police helicopters, took a chilling turn. As the car sped down a familiar street and inevitably collided with a concrete barrier, the camera, positioned at the dashboard, revealed the spectral visages of historical figures and long-lost souls reflected in the rearview mirror. Unease settled over the driver as they realized that the video was not merely a record of a tragic accident but a portal to a realm where the past and present eerily converged.